What is happening? Hey, November Networker in full effect with one of our valued sponsors this evening, Deliver Lean. And my good buddy Robert Mercado trying out some Deliver Lean. How's that food?
Delicious, amazing.
You know,
healthy, very healthy.
And they deliver it directly to your door.
Exactly.
You know, it really takes the guesswork and thinking out of food. That's kind of breakfast, lunch, and dinner are some of our biggest decisions, especially busy guys like you.
Exactly.
Comes right to your door, fresh, gourmet, caters to your needs. It improves your lifestyle, eating style the whole night, so you like it, huh?
Yeah, I love it. It's amazing.
Well, hurry up and finish so we can get you signed up.
Oh, okay.
Hey, listen, deliverlean.com. Fresh gourmet meals delivered right to your door. We got some samples going on over here. Actually, the appetizer food sponsor for this event. Duh. The food's phenomenal. Check them out, deliverlean.com. You know, we're always taking care of our Social Buzz viewers. If you call 888-740-LEAN and give them the promo number, Social Buzz, that'll give you special pricing of $19.99 a day for a month. So that's 3 meals a day, 7 days a week for a month. So check them out. Hey, stay tuned. Lots of us happening.